mile 43. Sadly, we cannot see Denali today because of the clouds, but this is where the road ends at mile 43 because the road collapsed a few miles down the road here. In better days, when the roads were good, you could go up to mile 93, which is 50 more miles, so more odds of seeing wildlife and Denali itself.
about jobs, right? Jobs. It's already colder than maybe you're used to staring down a long, hard winter. You don't. Hi, Disco. Everyone say hi, Disco. Hi, Disco. Bye, Elsie. Okay, Disco, come on. Oh, good girl. Oh, okay. So, I want to tell you a little bit about these dogs. You know what my job is? It's to talk. Aww, this is our first 4 p.m. demo. Okay. So, Good. Okay, cool. Our dogs here have a job. And in the summertime, they're just here to help you learn about them, right? They hang out in their kennel. They have a summer dog walking program. Disco's the dog that I walk. It's all volunteers. Our dogs never race. They just haul heavy loads. If any division in our park needs something moved, if it's a big bulky object, the dogs will pull it somewhere. They also need, yeah. Who else is wondering something about these dogs? Yeah, we have litters once a year, and they replace our retiring dogs. Take an adult dog like Disco, who's really good with puppies and teaching them things, and we'll take them behind here. The puppies are loose. They start learning. Every time they go out, it's about having fun. Their first winter, they might put a harness on, but they won't be harnessed into the team. Oh, sure. How much do they pull? Yeah, get up on the house, Disco. Come on, good girl. We load the sled with about 50 pounds per dog. They can pull so much more than that. If you imagine a kid wearing a big heavy backpack full of books, really, really heavy, just take all the books out except for one. That's like what our dogs pull. We never put them in tubs where they all like look the same. You would never see them on the Thanksgiving Day dog show. These dogs are bred for what they do versus how they look. So if you look at Disco, you see she has really long legs to get through the snow. Really tough paws, adapted for this Alaska.